In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Airbnb 1099. If you host on Airbnb in the United States, your tax form usually lives right inside your account, and finding it only takes a minute once you know where to look. A 1099 is an information return that reports certain payouts you receive during the year. Many hosts see a Form 1099-K, while others may receive a 1099-MySC or 1099-NEC for things like bonuses or non-booking payments. You'll use this to help prepare your tax return. First, make sure you qualify to receive a form. You need to be a U.S. host or taxpayer, and you must meet the federal reporting thresholds that apply to payment platforms. At least $20,000 in gross payments and 200 or more transactions in the calendar year. Some states require platforms to issue a form at lower or different thresholds, so your account may show a form even if you didn't hit both federal numbers. If you don't meet the threshold, a 1099 might not be issued, but your hosting income can still be taxable, so keep good records. Forms typically appear around late January once your tax details are verified. Once you've confirmed you qualify, open the Airbnb app or go to the website and log into your account. Be sure you're using the correct profile if you manage more than one. From your account, head to your profile or account settings. Then open Payments and Payouts or the Taxes section, depending on your layout. Look for tax documents and open that page. This is the central place Airbnb posts your annual forms. On the Tax Documents page, find the form type available to you. Form 1099-K, 1099 MISC, or 1099 NEC. Choose the tax year you need and select Download. You can usually get a PDF for filing and a CSV for your records. Save a copy somewhere secure and quickly review the details such as your name, address, and taxpayer identification to make sure everything matches your W-9 information. If you can't find a 1099, start by double-checking whether you met the reporting threshold. Next, confirm that your W-9 tax information in Airbnb is complete and accurate, because incomplete details can prevent a form from being generated. Make sure you're checking the right Airbnb account if you have multiple profiles. And if everything looks correct but you still don't see a form, reach out to Airbnb support for help. That's it. Follow these steps each year, download your form as soon as it's available, and keep it with your tax records.